Hey guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. In this video, we'll try to predict this image by using ResNet. Last time we did it with DanceNet, and I don't remember how much we get. So we are using the same ImageNet database, and we got, I think, a 40%. I'm not sure. Just reminder, please, this series of video is just to show you the models that we use in TensorFlow. And for your project, you need to test a lot of models, sorry, to know which one is the best for your project, and you need to build your own database. Okay, so I'm not saying that this model is better than this one. I'm just saying that you need to check and test it in your project to know if it could be used in your case. Okay, so here we have a 41%. So let's see how much we get with ResNet. So we'll copy paste the same code and we will just change the model that we will load inside our script. So it will be ResNet 50. It's the name of the model. We'll have the same sizing for the image. Here we'll just change it for ResNet for the pre-process of the image. Same here for the decode, and of course here for the Windows text. So let's see how much we'll get. So with DanceNet we have 31. For now, the highest score that we got is with the EfficientNet V2 with 89%. So with ResNet we are at 36%. It's quite better than DanceNet, but yeah, we are far away from the 80%. So for me, it's not a good model to predict line images. So the influence is still very low. So that's it for this video. So just put likes, comments, and follow this series of video in Vision ER, and see you next video, and assalamu alaikum. Thank you.